Hello everyone. In this video we are explaining abstract factory method for program related to business that in this case this business give our clients three types of the services. The first services is design services, the second is software services, and the three services website services. In this case, this business need this method of the abstract factory because we need one shared one method in for each one, and this method is the same for the each one. In this case, this program has split in two packages. The first package is the principal class, and the second package is the method abstract factory. In this method, the principal class implement the abstract factory. Abstract factory method split in four instances. The first instance is abstract factory interface, and the second instance is the concrete interfaces for this method, and the three instance is the three concrete products that implements the four instance that is the abstract product. For each one implements the for the second step implements the first abstract factory that in concrete implement the first method that implements for each abstract concrete. This method is create service. For each one, the abstract concrete factory implements for each instance of the object implements a create service. Second is design software and website. For each one, implement the create services, and the service design and service software educational and service websites are concrete abstract products that implement concrete interface abstract interfaces that implements for each one implements another methods that share for the concrete product. And let's next for the code, please.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you the code that we created to this application, to this example of the abstract factory. And here we have the different things that Luis already showed you in the image. So in this case, we have the design factory that, as you can see, as Luis said, implements the service factory that we find here in this class. Here we have this interface that is named Servicio Factory, but here we can create the service, or we have this class, this function to have an account in the different parts of the code. So here, now that I say that it implements the service factory, it also has a function that is named Servicio Informático Crear Servicio, and it returns a new servicio design. Here we have the servicio design. We choose here the package abstract factory, that is the name of the project. Here we have also implemented the servicio informático. So in this case, it is not about the servicio factory, it's no servicio informático. And here we have the different results or answers the application will have in account to to the different questions that it will make you. So here we have the function asignar trabajo that it here shows us that the work has been assigned to the graphic designers enabled. Here we also have the date of the of where you have to send the thing that you will have in account in this case. And here you it prints that they have now they in this moment know that they have finished the job in the in 17 of July of 2014 with that date of limit. And lastly, you can see that we have a function about inform about the payment, and here it prints that you should pay in an effective way in the moment of pick up the logo finished. Here also we also have the service, the informatic service, where you can see that we have in this interface the public void async walk, the public void to know the date of the of the of where you can send the thing you will have in account. We also have the function about the information about the payment. And here in this class, we implement the service informatic service, sorry, that is named service software educational. In this case, the program will print to async work that our programmers have been informed about the program will be done. We also have the say the date of the where you have to send the information that we have selected the date for 25 of March of 12 of 2014. And lastly, you can see that the information of the payment you will have an information about the amount of money you will it's gonna be proportional to the amount of the students that will be using the software. Here we have the service website where you can see that the people that is that have to develop the website have said that they gonna do the work. Here where the function is about the date is that the website with responsive design will be finished for 26th of April of 2014. And the last thing that the service website will have in account is the information about the payment. That is that the amount of money won't have the payment of dominio and host. Here in the software factory, it shows us or it creates the service. It also implements the service factory and it returns the service software educational. And in the last Java class, you can see that it implements the service factory. Here you also are able to see that you can create the service here. And in the main class that we are going to run, we have a switch case where in the first case you can use the service with a new design factory. In the second case you can use the service, but in this case with the software factory. In the third case with the website factory. And in the fourth case, that is the way of be out the program. It will shows you that the program will be closed successfully. So in this case, the default is that the information or the option selected is not the correct. We also have here the function use service that it has in account the service factory and the different functions about the service. And lastly, we here have the questions about the service. The first question is to solicit the service to the graphic design, the development of the educational software, the creation of the websites, and to close the program. So now I'm going to run the program and show you as it works. So here we have the options menu. We have 4 options as I said you before. In the first option, we can solicit the service of the design of the graphic design. I'm going to choose that option, and it shows us the work has been assigned to the graphic designs, as I said you in the class of these people. So here also have the development of the software educational for the creation of database or website, sorry, and the option to close the program. And that's all, teacher.
And finally, why this abstract factory is more secure on that being secure in for business? Because in this case, abstract factory proposes give 3 advantages. The first advantage is more responsibility for each model in the application. That case is more secure the implementation from the abstract factory for these scenarios. And second advantage is the abstract factory give 3 principles that is more secure, more flexibility, and atomic responsibility for each model in the application. That is all. Thank you.